Hello everyone, I'm Professor Nordell, and one of my favorite things at the beginning of the semester is picking up a huge order of art supplies for my Cultivating Creativity students. Here in the Visual and Digital Arts program, we're always interested in new ways of looking at the world. To get a new perspective on things, I attached a GoPro camera to my hand truck and headed across campus towards my office. In our Cultural Arts Center, you will find the Griswold Theater for our performances, a huge, beautiful art gallery, and the communication department where a lot of creativity happens. As I said, this is a huge batch of art supplies. I have materials for cutting and printing blocks. I have pencils, I have color pencils, I have watercolors, I have wire, I have clay, I have art books, I have glue sticks, I have scissors, I have X-Acto knives, and much more.